without any further ado, I would like to have a call for our very first presenter of the day, which is Ega Permana. So, all of us, please give a hand to Ega. Oh iya Pak Kusnadi, ada yang bisa dibantu Pak?
Oh no. Sorry,
Oh,
saya mencet.
oh, it was quite accidental ya. Okay, so
Sorry.
let you lower the hand first ya. Okay, so to Ega, the floor is yours. However, I believe you would like me to help sharing the presentation for you. So I would like to confirm if this is a correct presentation.
Yeah, this is correct ya.
Okay, so good to know that this is correct. And let me help to click the present here first, and then yep, all set. The stage is yours.
Okay, hello everyone. Thank you to everyone who has taken the time to attend and watch my presentation. And thank you to Pak Kusnadi, my head of the study program, who has also been willing to attend. And thank you to Kak Vidi ya. Okay, next. Before I begin my presentation, allow me to introduce myself first. I am Ega Permana, a seventh semester informatic engineering student at Universitas Catur Insan Cendekia. Currently participating in the Campus Merdeka internship program at Bukit Vista as a mobile developer or Flutter developer intern ya. Okay, next. These are the points I will discuss in this presentation starting with project development, then task project and result, followed by what I learned at Bukit Vista, and finally, my personal thoughts. Okay, next. Okay, let's start with the first topic which is development. The process of creating and implementing application feature from the beginning until they are ready to use. Next. Okay, so as a Flutter developer at Bukit Vista, what do I do As a Flutter developer, I am tasked with working on project related to the Bivigo application What is Bivigo? Bivigo is an application for Bukit Vista partners that brings the core features of the bigger web version to smartphone. With Bivigo, partners can monitor property performance, such as booking summaries, quest reviews, and friendliness scores and then manage bookings, include check-in, check-out, status, upcoming bookings, and booking stories and then receive automatic real-time in financial report after the check-out, and then ensuring all transactions are transparently recorded. Bivigo is designed to help partners manage their properties efficiently anytime and anywhere. Okay, next. Okay, during my time at Bukit Vista, what technologies or tools supported me in developing the Bivigo application? For the task tech I use, they include Dart as the programming language for the Bivigo application. Flutter as the framework for the Dart programming language, which is also the framework for building Bivigo framework for multi-platform apps that is Android, iPhone, and other And then OOP or object-oriented programming, which is a programming approach used to organize and manage code by utilizing object in Flutter. The OOP concept is applied to widgets, state management, and application architecture. And then Firebase, which support a bit of backend, organization, and analytic. And then Block, which is a state management pattern in Flutter that separates application logic from the UI, making the code cleaner and more structured. Last is one signal to help send notification to the Bivigo application. For the tools I use, they include Visual Studio Code as the place where I write lines of codes. That Git, a tool to manage code version, while GitHub is the platform to store and collaborate. And then Android Studio and Xcode. But required for cross-platform Flutter application development that is Android and iOS. And then simulators, which allow me to test application on different platforms during development without needing a physical device. And then SQL as a tool for me to access and modify data in database when performing development. Okay, next. Now, when performing development, yeah, of course, there are systematic steps taken to achieve the desired outcome. Yeah, the first step is to convert design from Figma into Flutter code. Yeah, at the stage, dummy data is used to display UI components to match the design, even though they are not yet connected the real data. Yeah. Nah, once the UI is complete, the application is connected to the backend to fetch real data. This involves API integration or backend service so that the application can display the actual data. Now, after implementation, code review is conducted to ensure code quality. Then testing is performed to ensure that feature function properly and as expected. If there are bugs, fixes are made before making the application ready for use. Okay, next. Next is about tax project and result during my time at Bukit Vista as a Flutter developer. Okay, next. This is why my first project at Bukit Vista when I first started my internship, which was property league, feature to assign leagues to property at Bukit Vista with the aim of motivating partners to consistently provide the best service, impacting league promotion or demotion. As context, yeah, there are 5 leagues that partners can achieve as amount based on performance assessment, reviews, and other variables. Yeah, from the highest to lowest, they are diamond, platinum, gold, silver, and bronze league. Okay, partner can view the league history of their property each month, which can serve as a reference for whether they can maintain their position in the league, improve, or drop down. In developing this feature, there was 2 iterations. Yeah, the first iteration, I simply continue the work of freelancer, and in the second iteration, I fully worked on the Bifigo application with the help of other engineers in thinking about the concept as well as the back end of this feature. Nah, this is the latest look of this feature available on the Play Store and App Store. And this feature is still in the testing phase. So only a few partners or properties currently have access to it. And it is planned to be launched for all Bukit Vista partners after third iteration. Yeah. And interestingly, during the RTT or Table Talk at Bali Best, I heard from some owners they are already eager to have this feature on their phones because some owners saw other owners' phone and noticed the property league feature present on their phones while they did not have it yet. Okay, next. Okay, let's move on to the next project, which is implementation of local cache in several Bifigo page. Nah, this project was partially done by a freelancer and partially complete by me. As we can see in the video, the difference in speed on the Bifigo application is very noticeable. Nah, before local cache implementation, users were always shown a loading screen, which made the Bifigo application look very slow, especially if the user had an unstable network connection. Nah, after local cache implementation, when user access this page, the app will display previously saved cache data while fetching new data in the background and replacing the old data, making the application appear faster in the user eyes. Besides the local cache, I would also like to thank to Kak Robin, Kak Vidi and other engineer who migrate the server and database from Ohio to Jakarta. Nah, this migration had significant impact as now the Bifigo application fetches data even faster. Okay, next. Let's talk about enhancement to the Bifigo application. The first one is improving the My Property page by separating the API. So when opening the page, it does not fetch data from a single API, which previously made the endpoint is heavy. And my task here was to implement the new APIs prepared by other engineers. The result was significantly faster when the data was split into different APIs such as accounting, expenses, team, and reviews. And then the second one is enhancing the UI in Bifigo ya. Nah, this project was very interesting ya because it started implementing reusable component. Nah, for instance, if we create a card in one place, that card can be reused in other place. This implementation ensure consistently in the UI UX of Bifigo. Nah, thanks to Kak Bayu who initiate this idea and prepared the Figma design, which I then implemented in Bifigo. This enhancement also included changing fonts, colors, and other rules like padding and margins to make the UI cleaner and more consistent. The third one is real-time user profile updates. Although this enhancement was also partially done by a freelancer, it's initially like real-time updates. Before implementation, when users made change to their data and return to the profile page, the old data will still appear for a few seconds before updating. After my implementation, the change now appear instantly. Okay, next ya. Okay, here I will show some bug fix I worked on in the Bifigo application ya. Most of these bug fix come from internal findings by our team or reports from partners. By resolving this issue, we significantly improve application stability reduce interruption in the user experience, and ensure the application runs more efficiently and responsively. The impact was substantial. Its bug fix help provide a better experience for Bukit Vista partners, enhance user trust, and minimize potential problem that could disrupt their operation. Nah, next ya. Okay, next is documentation to facilitate future development I have completed comprehensive documentation on how to start the application, which is included in the README file this makes it easier for the team or other developers to understand and run the application quickly. And I also completed documentation that covers application testing process development to the App Store and Play Store, and release note management using Firebase remote config and one signal for notification and application configuration. Additionally, I conducted a code review, especially for freelancer, to ensure the use of reusable component and carry out through testing of newly developed features, maintaining high code quality. Okay, next. Okay, finally the Bifigo Actions project, which is still in development This is an improvement of the old newsletter features. Bifigo Action will display news in a more interactive way while ensuring two-way communication between Bukit Vista and partners Bukit Vista will send news through action, and user can interact by liking, disliking, or commenting. Users can also opt out if they dislike the content displayed, users can swipe up and swipe down to view other action content and see attachment in a format familiar to apps like WhatsApp, status or Instagram stories. Currently it is nearing completion with only a few areas needing attention and refinement to ensure the future runs stable for user or partner. Okay, next. And these are some other projects I work on Bifigo during my time at Bukit Vista Okay, next. What have I gained or learning during my time at Bukit Vista Okay, the first is hard skill related to my field, mobile apps, and the second is soft skill for my personal development in future. Okay, the first one is hard skill The first one is a reusable component. I realized how efficient development becomes when applying this concept. Not only does the code look cleaner, but it also simplifies future feature development. The second is block state management a state management pattern in Flutter that spreads application logic or backend from the UI. resulting in cleaner and more structured code. Nah, I first encountered this during my second day of the trial program ya, when Kak Robin, who was my supervisor, required me to pass a coding test using this concept. Despite never having used it block before, yeah, I learned and applied it for the test. And here I'm now. Okay, the next is Firebase ya. Nah, before joining Bukit Vista, I already knew about Firebase ya, but I only realized its full potential here, such as gaining user insight through Firebase Analytics and more. And the last is deploying apps to the Play Store and App Store. Nah, before joining Bukit Vista, I never imagined ya I would be able to release an app to the Play Store for public use. It was an exciting experience to see future I developed being used by many people and to learn the learning process of the app release, including reviews by the Play Store and App Store. Nah, for this, I'm deeply thankful to Kak Robin who truly embodies help others to help themselves for me. Okay, next. Nah, the second one is soft skill and I learned a lot about the importance of good communication to convey ideas and to effectively, such as during the daily morning sync up conducted by the engineering team. And then problem solving skills were hard to resolve issue whether related to new feature or bug fix in the application. Teamwork is essential to achieve shared goals that have been planned together. And the importance of critical thinking in all situations, especially during discussion about certain topics. Okay, next. Okay, these are some core values I applied and gained well at Bukit Vista First is help others to help themselves I feel this especially during the early days of my internship with support from Kak Robin on technical aspect and Kak Vidi on conceptual thinking. Okay, number two is don't assume use data. I implement this for example when learning a new programming concepts by referring to official documentation first. Number three is step on tools. I experienced this when required to implement feature I initially thought were impossible I had to be brave enough to voice my opinion and be transparent. I learned to be honest when making mistakes, whether in programming or other matters And then details matters. This become crucial especially during testing new feature to minimize potential issue. And then never settles when working on the or fixing a feature that was not yet optimal. I keep reworking it until I was satisfied with the result. And be the hero, I truly felt this in the engineering team, where many heroes supported me during my internship. And the last is fail fast When I made a mistake in coding, I learned from it and ensured it will not happen again in the future. Okay, next Capricorn. And finally my personal talk during my internship at Bukit Vista. Okay. Nah, I feel very grateful to have worked with a supportive team, especially in engineer in mobile app development I learned a lot, not only about programming techniques, but also about collaboration, communication, and how to execute project with a solid team. Overall, the internship at Bukit Vista provided me with many valuable experience And I also realized that the real working world is very different from what I learned in university Not only technical skills are needed, but also interpersonal skills, such as the ability to work in a team and face challenges together. These are the people who mean so much to me during my internship because I got a lot of insight from them Okay, Kak Robin ya, who was always willing to be able to teach and help me at the beginning. And Kak Vidi, who was always ready to help me learn more about the engineering team and logical thinking ya. And Kak Titan, who always helped in many ways when I was fixing bugs or developing new feature in Bivigo ya. Nah, and Kak Wendy, who was always cooperative in completing tasks related to Bivigo, and Kak Krishna, who provide me with some valuable knowledge on several matters ya. And the last is Kak Bayu ya, who gave me a lot of meaningful knowledge for my future. Lastly, my fellow MSCB 7 interns, you are all amazing. Thank you also to Kak Furkon, who took me many valuable lessons during his time in Bali, whether about Bukit Vista cultures or other matters. Thank you as well to Kak Shea. And finally, thank you very much to everyone who has watched my presentation. That is all from me. I will improve if anything lacking. Thank you.
Yeay, kasih applause dulu nggak sih buat Ega? So congratulations Ega, thank you very much ya for presenting your material today. And I believe just now we already have two of your mentors that you say thank you and be gratitude for are here today. So before we move the turn to Pak Kusnadi probably later on to ask questions or also give some comments on your presentation, I would like to call Kak Vidi first now to give a comments and also words to Ega during his internship.
Okay. First, I would like to say thank you to Pak Kusnadi for attending this presentation for Ega. Pak Kusnadi, terima kasih sudah datang. Pak Kusnadi ini pertama kali ya, kayaknya ini pertama kali mungkin ada mahasiswa dari kampusnya Ega ini datang dan jadi intern di Bukit Vista. Jadi ini adalah pengalaman baru untuk kami. Jadi bisa kasih gambaran lah kira-kira kalau kami mau cari talent lagi itu kira-kira seperti di mana gitu. Biasanya kita menggunakan opportunity ini untuk mengetahui hal tersebut. Terima kasih Pak Kusnadi. Nah, karena terutama untuk Ega ini sangat amazing ya transformation di Bukit Vista ya. Dia awalnya yang secara kayaknya gimana ya, Ega itu awalnya flat banget gitu secara ekspresi ya. Tapi lama-kelamaan setelah dikasih challenge terus, dia justru menjadi salah satu orang di tim kami, di tim engineering. Oh sorry, saya lupa mengintroduksi diri saya, maaf Pak. Terus tadi saya Vidi, saya VP of Engineering di Engineering Chapter, adalah yang membantu Ega juga dalam sehari-harinya mungkin secara operasionalnya. Jadi untuk kembali lagi seperti yang saya sebutkan tadi, untuk Ega ini sangat menarik karena dia bisa mengkomplit tasknya dengan baik, dan juga terlebih dari completion of task-nya, dia juga bisa kasih feedback ke timnya sendiri. Jadi tidak hanya menerima ya, tapi sangat proaktif dalam memberikan saran, terutama kalau misalnya implementasi desain yang diberikan kadang-kadang mungkin bisa ada di-improve lagi. Ega juga sangat aktif untuk memberikan saran seperti itu. Nah, untuk Ega sendiri juga ada satu yang menarik Pak Kusnadi. Jadi ada teman-temannya Ega yang kolega dia yang bernama Wendy juga, itu transisi Pak Kusnadi dari front end developer menjadi mobile app developer. Nah, di sini Ega juga bisa membantu transisinya, mengajarkan gitu untuk memulai menjadi Flutter developer seperti apa, dan akhirnya mereka menjadi duo mobile app developer kita. Jadi saling tektokan gitu ya Pak Kusnadi, dan saling mengimprove satu sama lain. Jadi Ega itu udah kelihatan lah bibit-bibitnya, bisa coachingnya dari situ. Nah, untuk tas-tasnya sendiri, Ega juga kita percayakan untuk tidak hanya mengurus fitur-fitur kecil atau bug fixing, tapi benar-benar core feature-nya Pak Kusnadi. Jadi yang menjadi target dari company ini semester ini. Nah, dari situ kita bisa lihat potensi dan juga kapasitas Ega yang sangat luar biasa ini. Maka dari itu, dari Bukit Vista sendiri, kami sudah ada tektokan juga dengan Ega, Pak Kusnadi. Mohon izin untuk mengundang Ega menjadi employee di Bukit Vista setelah internship ini. Dan syukurnya Ega juga sudah accept ya untuk offer ini. Dan ya saya excited sekali ya Pak Kusnadi untuk bekerja secara lanjut bersama Ega. Jadi Ya, terima kasih Pak Kusnadi. Jadi barangkali kalau misalnya ada teman-temannya Ega ya yang atau adik-adik tingkatnya gitu yang mungkin sama potensi Ega kayaknya sudah bisa ngejudge juga nih kira-kira kan Bukit Visa seperti apa kebutuhannya. Kalau misalnya ada yang bisa di invite lagi Ega, kita akan selalu scale terhadap
Siap.
growth ya. Jadi kita akan invite lagi. Terima kasih Pak Kusnadi dan juga Ega.
Oke, terima kasih banyak Kak Vidi. Thank you very much Kak Vidi as the VP of Engineering for your words. Yes, and I believe the surprise has been delivered ya Pak Kusnadi. Jadi benar kita izin untuk mengundang Ega kembali untuk menjadi salah satu karyawan kami karena performance Ega yang sangat memuaskan. Oke, nah tetapi untuk memberikan pandangan lebih komprehensif to make a comprehensive view, I would like to also invite our Chief Technology Officer, Mr. Bayu Setiawan. I believe he is here. Even though Kak Bayu didn't really see the full presentation, I believe Kak Bayu has been working closely with Ega during his internship and can share some words to his journey. So Kak Bayu, the place is yours.
Oke, thank you Furqan. Terima kasih juga Bapak Kusnadi dan Bu Ratih juga ya dari pihak kampus. Okay, Furqan, what I can share from EGA is actually more about the core value in our company, right? So like everyone else during their internship, we expect them to start from zero. But what's important, more important rather than the starting point, is actually the progress. So what I see from Ega is that he's willing to learn regardless of the challenges. He's actually very committed, to learn, to achieve the perfection. He's working closely to make sure the design is implemented correctly. And even more than that, he's going extra miles. He's inventing or introducing a better approach that what we initially thought can be done. So this is very good qualities from intern. That's why we want to hire Ega. Nah, untuk selanjutnya mungkin kalau dari pihak universitas atau dari pihak kampus, dari kami sangat menghargai kampus yang mengencourage mahasiswanya untuk mencoba hal baru, belajar, walaupun itu di luar dari studinya. Saya yakin Ega studinya mungkin lebih ke teknikal ya, berhubungan dengan software engineering, tapi masuk ke dunia industri, ke industri yang sangat jauh yaitu hospitality, dan itu akan membuat perspektif dari mahasiswa ini berkembang bahwa teknologi sebenarnya bisa diimplementasikan di mana saja, gitu, asal bisa melihat peluangnya. Jadi terima kasih ke Pak Kusnadi untuk memberikan program untuk mahasiswanya untuk mengembangkan dirinya dan sekarang mengembangkan karirnya juga ya, karena Ega. Nah, fun fact juga Pak, untuk teman-teman di Bukit Vista ini kebanyakan juga mulai dari program dari magang. Nah, kayak Vidi dan teman-temannya dan Furqan juga, Furqan iya ya, Furqan ya.
Iya betul, saya dari intern.
Nah, betul, karena yang kami cari sebenarnya bukan yang langsung sudah jadi gitu dari sekolah. Kayaknya agak susah juga ya cari yang dari lulus kuliah langsung sudah tahu industri gitu. Nah, tapi dengan program magang ini justru kami memperkenalkan bagaimana industri dan dari kampus juga memperkenalkan bagaimana ilmu yang terbaru dan bisa diimplementasikan ke industri. Nah, kami harap programnya ini akan tetap lanjut jalan, dan congratulations lagi Ega untuk internshipnya sudah selesai, hasilnya bagus, dan congratulations untuk role barunya yang udah sign ya sekarang ya, udah official. Itu aja Furkan, thank you.
Thank you very much. Terima kasih banyak Kak Bayu atas kata-katanya. Nah, sekarang kita izin nih untuk memanggil Pak Kusnadi nih selaku Head of Study Program dan juga dosen pembimbing langsung nih mahasiswanya sendiri. Bagaimana nih Pak mendengar mahasiswanya sudah bisa menempuh perjalanan internship dengan sangat mulus, bahkan kita dari Bukit Vista Kak Bayu dan Kak Vidi berkenan untuk meretain untuk menjadi employee dan melihat presentasinya yang sangat luar biasa. Apakah ada komentar atau mungkin bahkan pertanyaan Pak untuk diklarifikasi? Silakan Pak.
Baik, terima kasih banyak atas kesempatannya. Saya ucapkan terima kasih banyak kepada keluarga besar ya, tim dari Bukit Vista. Ini luar biasa sekali atas undangannya. Terima kasih bisa diperkenankan untuk bisa memperlihatkan presentasi akhir ya dari apa yang sudah di-achieve oleh Saudara Ega. Luar biasa. Hampir kelihatan ya, kalau dari statementnya positif gitu ya. Yang sudah diterima oleh Ega. Baik, itu saya ucapkan terima kasih para Pak Bayu, Pak Vidi juga, terus juga tim, ada Pak Robin, Pak Titan, Pak Wendy, Krishna, dan Pak Furkon. Yang pasti ini teamwork ya, luar biasa, yang sudah membantu mengenlarge Ega begitu. Yang saya yakin pun juga ini banyak yang sudah didapatkan oleh Ega. Sorry, saya dalam bahasa aja ya. Kurang butuh pasti.
Tidak masalah, Pak.
Siap. Oke, baik Ega ya. Kalau kita lihat juga tadi kita lihat sebelum seperti disampaikan tadi Pak Bayu gitu ya atau Pak Vidi disampaikan bahwasanya sebenarnya kita kirim banyak Pak begitu ya. Untuk saya yakin ini program internship ini saya sangat sebenarnya senang begitu ya gitu. Artinya bisa mengetes gitu apa yang sudah mereka dapatkan 5 semester di dalam, kemudian 1 semester lagi di satu semester di luar untuk internship ini, bagaimana mengimplementasikan apa yang sudah dapat, kemudian bercoba di magang, dan pastinya ini hasil dari keluaran magang ini menjadi hal yang luar biasa menurut saya, termasuk yang terbukti di EGA yang saya tahu pada saat apply itu kita hampir 100 orang, tapi yang keterima cuma 3 orang Pak untuk dari MSI B7 ini itu ya saya yakin Ega juga nggak tahu nih ya, sampai bisa berhasil masuk ke Bukit Vista juga kan bisa mengalahkan beberapa kandidat gitu, akhirnya cuma Ega sendiri yang bisa masuk. Selamat sih sebenarnya, itu saya apresiasi sekali gitu, bisa dari berapa ratus tapi Ega yang bisa masuk. Kita dari TI cuma 3 orang yang hadir yang bisa lolos gitu. Oke. Itu mungkin kedepannya sih saya lihat ini sangat kooperatif ya, sangat baik sekali gitu untuk pengembangan mahasiswa kaitan dengan peningkatan hard skill, kompetensi mahasiswa sesuai bidang begitu. Tujuan sih itu sebenarnya yang kita harapkan. Jadi mahasiswa itu benar-benar sesuai bidang kompetensinya, dan terbukti dari Ega ini sebenarnya role model juga sih buat kami. Alhamdulillah dari internship tadi sudah dilanjutkan lagi, harapannya mendapatkan golden ticket, bisa di hire juga, dapat sekarang role-nya berubah tadi disampaikan tadi menjadi bergabung dengan tim, sehingga saya apresiasi dan saya ucapkan selamat sudah bergantung satu tadi. Terima kasih kepercayaannya begitu. Artinya saya lihat dari perusahaan berarti bisa melihat dari sisi Ega gitu, yang saya yakin masih bisa butuh tumbuh berkembang lagi gitu ya. Saya lihat tadi disampaikan bukan pencari yang baik, tapi yang bagaimana dia bisa mengencourage timnya gitu, lingkungan sekitarnya supaya bisa tumbuh berkembang gitu. Jadi saya sih sependapat gitu, nggak perlu cari yang sudah jadi, tapi bibit-bibit yang bisa membuat maju, berkembang, dan membuat positive vibe gitu di buat lingkungan sekitarnya gitu. Baik, Ega sendiri kalau dari awal sebenarnya memang sudah concern ya, dari di kami sendiri di beberapa mata kuliah hard skill gitu, di pemrograman dan sebagainya, termasuk di capstone project yang kita laksanakan di semester 4-5 gitu juga dia sudah selesai gitu ya, outstanding lah dari dibandingkan dengan teman-teman yang lainnya. Makanya saya ragu juga sih bisa diterima mungkin atas dasar basic skill tadi, kemudian bisa masuk ke bukti visa dan akhirnya sekarang yang seperti tadi disampaikan positif gitu ya untuk bisa lebih banyak yang diterima oleh EGA, termasuk tadi yang saya catat juga ada beberapa yang diterima oleh EGA gitu ya, dari hard skill, improve soft skillnya pastinya juga banyak yang diterima gitu ya. Jadi lebih matang dari sekarang. Dan mungkin dengan bergabung jadi lebih matang kembali sesuai dengan bidang ya gitu, passionnya EGA ya di programming seperti itu. Oke, EGA sendiri tadi pemaparannya sangat semangat ya, sangat bersemangat sekali. Saya baru tahu juga nih ini Inggrisnya lumayan bagus ya. Waktu di kampus sih nggak kelihatan nih. Iya, Inggrisnya mungkin ya nggak tahu ya kalau di mata kuliah bahasa Inggris ya nggak. Tapi kalau di saya sih belum kelihatan ya. Tapi alhamdulillah berarti kan lingkungan yang kurang lebih berapa bulan ya di Bukit Vista ini, termasuk juga soft skill dari bahasa juga nih luar biasa, dibantu sekali. Jadi lebih berkembang mahasiswa begitu. Oke, sip sih, paling seperti itu aja dari saya. Mungkin tidak ada yang lain. Terima kasih banyak saya ucapkan sekali lagi atas pencapaiannya juga tim yang sudah membantu EGA menjadi lebih sampai sekarang dan sudah diperkenankan bisa bergabung begitu. Terima kasih banyak semuanya.
Baik, terima kasih banyak Pak Kusnadi atas sambutannya dan juga komentarnya ya, selaku Kaprodi S1 Teknik Informatika UCIC dan selaku juga dosen pembimbing dari mahasiswa EGA Permana. We are very grateful Pak Kusnadi to have EGA here. And yeah, we really thank you to mentor and also to educate EGA to be where he is at the moment. So we would like to also thank you for your service as well. Okay.